everybody, welcome to this channel. Come with us to the supermarket in a snowstorm. Okay, everybody, Junior got the list for us to buy what Mama need to make the Sancocho. We're having a hard time walking because the sidewalks is not clean.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's very dangerous. We found a little spot clean. They worked so hard cleaning it. Now we're back to the... Oh, gosh.
Oh,
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm excited.
You excited? To walk very carefully because there's a lot of snow on the floor and it's super cold.
But the smell is satisfying.
Uh-oh, the first accident.
Okay, guys. Walking. She's just running over.
It's too crazy outside and it's very windy and these temperatures are dropping. So later on, it's going to be super, super cold and everybody is shoveling. Yup.
Guys, this looks like it takes to a game. Like in a global ball that has like snow that they're inside of it. And look at this. So yeah.
Very snowy, right?
Yep.
Everybody, it's super cold. The temperature is dropping. We almost at the supermarket, and our list is getting destroyed.
Yep. So yeah, let's keep walking.
This is what happened when you try to walk and run. The temperatures are very scary. Okay, guys, we finally at the supermarket. All we have to do is cross the streets, and it's very dangerous. Everybody, look at this.
Look how big is that?
That's Junior crossing up.
Let's check. There's no cars.
Okay, we're good. Okay, everybody, it's getting super, super crazy now.
Guys, we're almost at the supermarket. We just gotta turn the corner. I gotta tell you something. Look at this list. It's about to get destroyed. And yeah, it's going to get destroyed. Guess what? We are at the supermarket.
Okay, everybody, we made it to the supermarket, and the only thing we had to get is just a shopping cart and everything that's on the
List.
we could barely see it, but
Yep, because it's history.
yes. So let's go. Okay, everybody, we got our shopping cart, which is this one. Now we have to go in the section and the first thing of the list, which is
Plátano.
so let's go to the vegetables. Needs an auyama, so we need this. She needs a yam, so we're going to grab, I'm not sure which one. She said she wants a small one. Okay, everybody, I'm just gonna grab this one. Okay, put it in the bag. Ooh, almost fell. Put it in the car. Okay, you're not gonna tell us what we have so far in the list.
So we have llame, yautía, and
Auyama. So we got those three so far. We're still looking for the plátanos and the other ingredients. So let's look for the plátanos. Everybody, finally, I see the plátanos.
Okay, guys, we found the plátano. And get the plátano and let's put it in the cart.
Okay, this is what we got so far. We got plátanos, yuca. Oh no, we don't have the yuca. We had to get the yuca. We had ñame, auyama, and yautía. So now we have to look for the yuca. Hey everybody, we forgot the most important thing, which it was
Corn.
yes. So we got the corn. Now we're going to the yuca. Yuca was right in our faces. I'm going to show you where is that. Well, Eunice is gonna show you where.
The yuca is right here. So let's get this big one and let's put it in the cart.
Okay, everybody, we got all the vegetables. Now we're moving on to the meat. The yuca, the oyama, the yam, plátanos, corn, and we have yautía. So I think we're good so far.
Okay, guys, now we found the beef.
Everybody, we had to come back to the vegetables because we forgot the lemon. And we got it. So it's $2 for 5 lemons. So now we gotta go and look for the pork meat.
Guys, now we found the last meat. Now we have to get the vinegar.
Hey everybody, we found the vinegar. Now we have one more thing to find that we almost forgot, and which is
The seasoned vinegar.
So that's very important because she said make sure you don't forget, and we almost forgot. Okay, everybody, we are done shopping now.
We're gonna have to go back to the snowstorm and go and drop the food off in the house.
Yup. Okay, everybody, we back in the snowstorm. It's still snowing. Now it's super windy, and I know later on it's going to be tough. Right here, they cling a little bit, but once we cross the street, it's gonna be super tough for us to walk.
Yep.
Wow, look at so much snow.
Guys, look at my feet. It's going all the way deep. Super deep, guys.
Wow, it's super tough here in New York City. And the snow is getting bigger and bigger. I just pushed Junior in the snow. Wow, look all that snow. Still gotta go all the way down the street. Junior's so small in front of all that snow. Stand next to the snow. Look at my hair. And Junior keep falling on the floor. I'm trying to make it back in the house. I should have worn a hat. Whoa.
Super windy, guys.
Yep. If you don't have to go outside, don't go outside like us. We just need to go to the supermarket and get the ingredients so mommy can make a sancocho. And it's a Dominican soup. That tastes so delicious.
We didn't forget no ingredients.
Didn't came too prepared for this weather. Yes, I did. This bag's so heavy. Yeah. We almost there. Hurry up, we almost there. Tighten down. No. Okay, everybody, we made it back home nice and safely.
Yep.
And we got everything that we needed, and she was not mad. So now we're going outside and playing with the snow. If you made it to the end of the video, like the video, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.